Hey guys, Little V here, and I'm just going to give you guys a quick little update. I am excited. I just got something awesome at work. Like, so awesome. Here, I'm just going to show you. So this is new. So to flip the camera around there. This is a stupid deal I got at work. Case included. Oh man! So that's an American Strat, Fender American Strat, just an American Standard, so not a deluxe. But this is a beautiful guitar. If you guys want to take a quick look at it here, it's got the it's an HSS, so humbucker single, so a little bit more crunchy than your average Strat, but that's exactly what I like about it. Strap, cable out stuff, certificate of authenticity, all that good stuff. Blah 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 blah. Little sticker I can stick to something. I don't know, I'll probably find a way to stick to something. So I am very excited. This is pretty much like the deal of the century for me here. So what I'm probably going to end up doing is I'm probably going to end up selling, hold on a second, flip that back around. And I'm going to probably sell the Dean over yonder. This guy here, you may have noticed before with the Floyd Rose on it. Probably going to end up selling that. Because I never was a huge fan of Floyd Rose in the first place. So they're one of those things that's really, they're a hassle to like deal with. But, oh, I'm excited. So, well, let's go give her a try, shall we? Okay. Oh, almost forgot one thing. Plus 20 points to hater protection. Let's get some chugga-chuggas going, shall we? Thumbs up if you remember this.